Hello, my name is Alisa Ploko and I'm the owner of YourBizmentor LLC. Today I would like to share with you some facts about LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the social media platform #1 for businesses. So it is for business-to-business oriented companies and for business professionals. Who am I? I'll just share with you some facts about me as the owner of YourBizmentor. I am one of the 1% of content creators on LinkedIn. I'm a business mentor both on volunteer and paid basis. I'm Bosnian by origin, but I live in USA. I possess 16 years of experience in business in multiple industries. My background is marketing field. I'm also a passionate cyclist and I'm a nature lover. I simply love spending time with children. I see success of others as my own success, and you can follow my hashtag YourBizmentor on LinkedIn if you would like to hear more tips on how to utilize this very powerful platform. Now, I'd like to share with you some of the facts, well-known facts, and the reasons why now is the momentum, now is the right time, the perfect time to utilize this powerful business-to-business social media platform. So, some facts about LinkedIn. Nowadays, currently, there are over 645 million users globally. Only in USA, there are 157 million users. Out of this total number, there are 30 million pages or companies' profiles on LinkedIn. So, companies' profiles are called company pages or pages on LinkedIn, and they are created from your personal profile. Something similar to creation of Facebook pages from your personal Facebook profile. And now LinkedIn by numbers. Did you know that 80% or more than 80% of business-to-business leads come from LinkedIn? LinkedIn is #1 source for professionally relevant content. And as I've mentioned, there are only 1% of LinkedIn users who are currently creating content on LinkedIn. So all the eyes are on them or on their content. The type of content that these users are posting on LinkedIn are video content, articles, and posts. LinkedIn is considered as the most effective for business-to-business lead generation. There are companies on LinkedIn who have generated revenues in millions. So LinkedIn is the #1 channel to distribute content. If you're wondering, does LinkedIn align with your business? You know, this platform was initially a place where job seekers and recruiters were meeting. It was a meeting point for them. So it was and still is a social media platform for professionals from different fields of work. However, it has changed tremendously lately. Nowadays, it's all about content creation on LinkedIn, about increasing the organic traffic through the content creation, and about selling, but not hard selling through relationship building. So who is on LinkedIn nowadays? On LinkedIn, you'll find professionals or employees of some companies. You'll also find CEOs and founders of companies, middle-sized, small companies, startups, and very large companies, multinational companies. You'll also find job seekers and recruiters, and you'll find consultants of almost any kind. So if you are wondering who else is using LinkedIn, millionaires are using LinkedIn. Even billionaires are using LinkedIn. Dan Penna, for example, who is a billionaire, has his profile on LinkedIn, and he's actually active. He personally is active on LinkedIn. So if you're wondering, what can you use this powerful platform for? You can use it for personal branding. It's a very strong platform to build your strong personal brand. You can use it for searching a job. Recruiters are using it for recruiting employees. And companies are using it for lead generation, as well as consultants are using it for the same purpose. And it is a perfect platform for increasing the visibility and building a brand, both for companies and professionals. On LinkedIn, you can create both personal and company profile. Company profiles on LinkedIn are called pages or company pages. Your intention should be to build a personal brand on LinkedIn, and you'll do that by creating an all-star LinkedIn profile. It's called like that. An all-star LinkedIn profile means that you have fulfilled your LinkedIn profile completely, and it has its headline, which is clear, which clearly communicates your business and or your current position in the company. Then summary, which clearly communicates your strengths or the message that you want to convey to the end user or buyer of your company products or services. And it communicates skills, endorsements, and recommendations. Now, when it comes to the skills and endorsements, recommendations, this is something that you get from the people that know you. They endorse you for the skills, and they can give you recommendation. This is an excellent way for your profile to stand out. The way to grow your connections on LinkedIn or your network on LinkedIn is through LinkedIn groups and through the engagement on LinkedIn. Engagement means by liking, commenting on other posts, posting your own video content or written content through articles or through daily posts. What's really important is to be consistent in creating content on this social media platform. So if you're wondering what's the reason for creating constant content on LinkedIn, the answer is you want to build your personal brand. You want, if you're a job seeker, or if you are a company employee, or if you are an owner of a company or own company, you want to start from building your own personal brand. The point is that people do not buy from company, people buy from people. In the next video, I'll explain more about branding and an all-star LinkedIn profile. If you like this video, please click the like button and click the subscribe button to be notified about my future new videos related to the social media, business, marketing in general, or LinkedIn.